We're in the kitchen because people are asleep, but it's a magnet. That's pretty cool. I like that. I'm going to show you this little ball thing. It's pretty dang cool. I got to do it on low because, crap, I unplugged it. If you do it on high, I send it like skyrocketed. Now, I am like a centimeter above the counter. Look at how far it pushes it up, okay? I have it on full. That's on full. And, oh, I better lower it. Shit. I was above the countertop. Hold on. I'm literally a half an inch above the countertop. That's on full air. I can't even balance the ball on that one at full air. I don't have the ability yet. I just got the thing I haven't even got to use it to blow dry my hair. But I'm super excited because this thing looks and feels amazing.